In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a coupon code on 23andMe. Let's get started right away by opening your browser. This is the first step in accessing 23andMe's website. You'll want to make sure your internet connection is stable. A stable connection ensures the process runs smoothly without any hitches. Once your browser is open, navigate to 23andme.com/redeem. This is the specific page where you can enter your coupon code. It's important to go directly to this link. Doing so saves you time and ensures you're in the right place to redeem your offer. Bookmarking this page might be helpful if you plan to use more codes in the future. Now, in the designated box, enter your coupon or promo code. Be sure to type it in carefully. Codes are often case-sensitive. A small typo could prevent you from getting the discount. Taking a moment to double-check the entry can save you from potential frustration later. Next, click on the Redeem button. This action is crucial as it applies the code to your account. You should see some confirmation that your code has been accepted. If there is an error message, it might indicate an issue with the code itself. Common issues include expired codes or those that have already been used. After redeeming, review the discounted offer presented to you. This step is where you can see the benefits of your code. Make sure the discount matches what you expected. If it doesn't, you might want to recheck the terms of the promotion. Knowing exactly what you're getting will give you peace of mind. Now click Add to Cart. This places the discounted product into your shopping cart. It's a simple step, but essential for proceeding with your purchase. You should see the item in your cart with the new price reflecting the discount. This visual confirmation reassures you that the code worked as intended. Just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. These prompts will guide you through the checkout process. They ensure that all necessary information is provided for your order. It's a straightforward process, but take your time to read each prompt carefully. This is important because accuracy at this stage prevents future issues with your order. Finally, place your order. By doing this, you're completing the transaction and securing your purchase. You'll likely receive a confirmation email shortly after. This email serves as a record of your transaction. Keep it handy in case you need to refer back to it later. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to enter a coupon code on 23andMe. Remember, using coupon codes is a great way to save money and enjoy the services at a reduced price. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your experience with 23andMe and have a wonderful day.